Tired of double bookings because your hosting or site doesn't sync with Google Calendar? Here is how to connect them in under 2 minutes. We will go from your hosting or dashboard to the booking settings, then connect your Google account in just a few clicks. Alright, so first things first. Open your site in the hosting or website builder. You want to be looking at the main editing view of your actual site. This is where we are going to find the booking system. Now in the sidebar on the left, look for the calendar icon. It looks like a little calendar month view. Go ahead and click on that. That will open up your booking settings. Now this is where the actual connection happens. You will see a few tabs across the top. Click on the one that says Settings. This is the main control panel for how your bookings behave. Now scroll down the page a bit until you find a section that says Connect your calendar. Click on that button right there. This is the core of what we are doing. A list of calendar options will pop up. You want to select Google Calendar from the list. It is usually the first option and has the familiar Google logo next to it. Once it is highlighted, go ahead and click the Connect button. And here is the really important part. A new window will open. This is the Google sign-in page. You want to make sure you are logged into the exact Google account where you want all your appointments to appear. This next step is crucial. Google will ask you for permission to let Hostinger manage your calendar events. You need to click Allow. Do not skip this or the connection will not work. Hostinger needs this access to create new events and check for conflicts automatically. Once you hit Allow, the window will close and you will be brought back to your Hostinger settings page. You should see a green confirmation banner or a status that says the connection is successful. And that is it, really, less than 2 minutes. Now, whenever someone books an appointment through your Hostinger site, it will automatically show up on your Google Calendar. No more double bookings, no more missed appointments. Everything stays synced in real time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.